Good morning, Bobcats. I'm Sierra.
And I'm Alex, and here's your daily bulletin for Friday, November 14th, 2025. The virtue of the week is helpfulness. Helpfulness is the virtue of doing useful things for others, assisting with tasks, offering thoughtful support, and creating a sense of community. It involves being observant of others' needs and acting without being prompted. Helpfulness also includes self-care practices like asking for help when you need it and taking care of your own well-being. The Dalai Lama teaches us that the more we take the welfare of others to heart and work for their benefit, the more benefit we derive for ourselves. Speaking of helpfulness, here's Sean with some important info about getting help with financial aid.
For seniors who want to attend a university, it is college application season. The application window if you are planning on applying to a UC or CSU is open until December 1st. You don't need to worry about the application fees as PHS is able to cover up to 4 applications for you. Another part of the college application process is applying for financial aid, the FAFSA, which is actually now a PHS graduation requirement. On Wednesday, November 19th, counselors will be coming into all senior English classes to help with the FAFSA process, which is the Federal Financial Aid Program. On that day, all seniors should be prepared with a personal email, social security number, and a charged Chromebook. You do need the FAFSA for community college, and for those of you who are planning to go to Butte College next year, the Reg to Go program is to help you enroll and will start in January.
The virtue next week is kindness. Because it's Kindness Week, here's Kenzie with a rundown of the Spirit Days.
Are you ready for Kindness Week? Leadership has events planned for the week, and each day is a Spirit Day. Monday is Class Colors Day. Freshmen green, sophomores yellow, juniors red, and seniors blue, and teachers purple. Tuesday is Funny T-shirt Day. Wednesday is White Out. Thursday is Country versus Country Club. And Friday is Camo versus Animal Print. So get ready to show your spirit, Bobcats, and of course, remember to be kind.
The deadline for the Gold Nugget Badge Design Competition is coming up on Wednesday the 19th. This year's theme is Hidden Gold and Natural Wonders. Miss Murphy is suggesting artists consider using heavy black and metallic gold colors in their design. See her if you need more info or one of these design templates. Students and staff will be voting on the winner on Thursday, November 20th. Today is the annual Career Expo in the Green Gym. We are on a special schedule to allow students to experience the event. PHS students will go to the expo in their 3rd period class. Parking today will be a bit of a challenge to do the Career Expo, but almost all the time the parking lot has lots of room. Here's Sean with more.
As you can see, the parking lot looks pretty good today. Everyone is in a designated spot, but apparently there's been problems recently with students parking sideways in the parking lot. It's a matter of maturity and respect. Park properly between the lines. This will help keep your car safe and make everyone's day a little easier. And on the subject of parking, make sure you have a parking pass. It can help the staff identify your car in case of a problem. For instance, if your lights are on, they could warn you and avoid a dead battery. You can get your free parking pass in the main office. In order to get a parking pass, fill out the parking pass form on the PHS website, and then you have to go to the office and show the office staff your driver's license. Finally, be sure to drive safely all the time, especially on the campus. As you can see, don't park like this guy. Park with common courtesy.
It really won't be long before students are asked to plan their schedules for next year. Will PHS have new elective classes to offer? Here's Sunny with more.
Last week, students and families were asked to respond to a survey on what elective classes they'd like to see come to PHS. So we decided we would ask some students around campus about their opinions. All right, I'm here with Reese Bacon, and Reese, what electives do you think should come to PHS?
Like a forensic science class or like a criminology class, that'd be cool.
You heard it, forensic science or criminology class. I'm here with Darian Knox, and Darian, what electives do you think should come to PHS?
I feel like culinary class would be a really good elective to bring to PHS. Cooking would be nice, frying up some pancakes and stuff, you know.
Oh yeah, some nice chicken nuggets. Mm-hmm. I'm here with Tino Ventimilio, and Tino, what electives do you want to come to PHS in the future?
I think cooking class would be really cool, and a psychology class would be pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that sounds pretty nice, Tino.
Yep.
I'm here with Eli Harlan, and Eli, what electives do you think should come here to PHS?
So I'm thinking like culinary arts would be like a really good elective to have, because I feel like people learning how to cook and stuff is a really good thing to do, you know? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you'll use that throughout your whole life.
It seems like the culinary class, which we did offer here at PHS for many years, is a popular choice for a new elective.
We asked the admin, and in their survey, culinary arts was also number 1, followed by life skills, which is home economics, and then EMS was 3rd. Based on this information, we think the culinary program will be coming back to PHS.
The Powder Puff volleyball games are scheduled for next Thursday, November 20th, freshmen versus sophomores at 6 p.m. and juniors versus seniors at 7 p.m. Here's your patriotic message. It was on this day in 1969 that NASA launched Apollo 12, the second Apollo mission to land on the moon. The ship led by Commander Pete Conrad landed on the moon on November 19th and spent 1 day completing scientific research, then lifted off for home. They returned successfully with a splashdown on November 24th. Astronaut Alan Bean, who landed on the moon with Commander Conrad, would later say, "Since that time, I have not complained about the weather one single time. I've not complained about traffic. I'm glad there's people around. Boy, we're lucky to be here. Why do people have to complain about the Earth? We're living in the Garden of Eden."
Happy late birthday earlier in the week to
Haley Butts,
Hunter Middleton,
Chase Voigt,
Jaeli Coulier,
Connor Eisenbeis,
Luena Benfield,
Aaron Davis,
Ben Morris,
and Hagen Hughes.
Happy birthday today to Caleb Barden,
Mackenzie Franco,
Hunter Hammett,
and Fatima Vasquez.
Here's your joke of the day. Hey Alex,
Yeah?
what do you call an alligator with a vest on?
What?
An investigator.
Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up!
Like, should we redo that then?
Probably.
Okay.
Was that good?
I think so.
Yeah!